Welcome back, guys, and today we are working on page 19. I'm going to do the first four, and then you guys are going to complete the page. Now, before we get started, I would just like to introduce my wonderful co-teacher. My cat's sitting right here, so he's kind of sleeping. I don't know if he's getting up anytime soon, but he might just pop in, interrupt the video. You never know. So anyway, let's just go ahead and get started. So, like always, I'll read the title of the page, and then we're going to go over the objective. So what we're working on today is solving multi-step ratio problems. Your objective for today is that students will be able to solve word problems involving ratios. This is on page 19. We're going to do 1 through 4, and then you guys are going to do, let me make sure that I have them all pulled up right here. But you guys will do 5 through 8. So, easiest way to do this is to just pop right in. So I'll read number 1 for you. So number 1 says, at the greenhouse salad, you get 1 coupon for every 3 salads you buy. What is the least number of salads you could buy to get $10 in coupons? Well, like I said, most important part of this is to take the information out. So you got that 1 coupon is for 3 salads. That's where I wrote this line. You want $10 in coupons. So, and you know you get 1 for every 3 salads. So what do? You multiply. So what you're going to do here is you're going to multiply this by 10. So to go from 1 to 10, you multiply by 10. So here, you multiply by 10. So what is the least amount that you could get $10 in coupons? Well, you got to spend $30 to get $10 in coupons. Okay, very good. Now we'll go ahead and we'll jump into number 2. So number 2 says, Kim orders catering from Midtown Diner for $35. She spends $5 on a large order of potato salad and the rest on turkey sandwiches. Each sandwich is $2.50. How many sandwiches does Kim buy? Well, it says that she spent, let's first extract the information we need. We've got $35. And then she says she spends $5 on a large order. Oops. Sign goes over here. So you spend $5 on potato salad. So you make $5 on a thing of potato salad, spend $35 in total. How much do you have left? Well, 35 minus 5 is 30. Right. Now, how much is left over? Well, you've got to divide 30 by 250. The rest of them, she got sandwiches. So, if you guys remember, just a little easy way of doing long division. Act like they're not there. So we'll do 25. It's actually 2.5. Remember that. So what we're going to do here is divide it through. 25 goes into 30 once. You're left with 5. Put a dot. 0. Now you get 5. This becomes 50. How many do you get? 12. And remember we had this dot, so you end up with, sorry, the 0 doesn't go here, you get 1.2. So since this dot's here, that moves this here. So you get 12 sandwiches. So just to clarify, make sure you guys got that. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pause this, and then we're going to work on number 3. So I'm going to go ahead just to clear this out. I'm going to erase this. Remember, guys, you can stop the video if you didn't get all that I wrote down. So easiest way to do this. Now let's look at number 3. It says, Molly and Liza are exercising. Molly does 10 push-ups at the same time as Lisa does 15 push-ups. So why don't we just make a table? So we have Molly, M for Molly, L for Lisa, and it says that Molly does 10, and we're talking about push-ups, and we have, how much does Liza do during that time? 15. So when Molly does 40 push-ups, how many push-ups does Liza do? Well, if Molly did 40, it's the same as that problem we just did. How do you get from 10 to 40? What do? You got to multiply by 4, right? So if you're multiplying by 4 here, you're multiplying by 4 here. 15 times 4. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 is 60. So you end up with 60. It's really that simple, guys. All you got to do is figure out what it's increasing by. So this was number 3. Now the last one we're going to do is number 4. And then I'll let you do 5 through 8 on your own. So now let's read number 4. So number 4 says, a shark swims at a speed of 25 miles per hour. You guys are probably used to this. MPH. So it goes at 25 miles per hour. So if a shark swims at 25, sorry, the thing closed. So at home packet, 25 miles per hour, and well, apparently my computer's being slow. So, like I said, we're doing number 4, and I hope you guys are having a good time at home with your parents, and you guys are catching up and playing a lot of video games, I'm assuming, and spending a lot of time with your family that you probably haven't spent with them in a long time. But I know personally, I've been doing a lot of remodeling around my house. So, you know, I've been maybe on my next video I'll show you some of the stuff that I've done. But here, I got it back up now. Sorry. Thanks for bearing with me there. So shark swims at a speed of 25 miles per hour. The shark rests after 40 miles. How long in minutes does the shark swim before resting? So if he swims 25 miles per hour and he swims 40 miles, how long, so how much in time, how long in minutes? In minutes. This is important. So now this one's got moving parts. This one's got a couple moving parts here. So if you're going 25 miles per hour, first thing we need to do is we need to convert this to minutes. So 25 miles per hour, how many minutes is that? Well, there's 60 minutes in 1 hour. So 25 per 60 minutes. So now the only part that's left is to literally take this and look at it. So basically now the only thing left is we need to convert this. So we know if he went 40 miles, he swam, at least he had to have swum 60 minutes, right? Everybody knows he had to swim 60 minutes. So that gets rid of, so we have 60 minutes, 40 minus 25 leaves you 50. Now how do you know? What's left over? Well, you have 15 left, and you know that you go 40 miles, you know you go 25 miles in 60 minutes. So the easiest way to do this is to just take a fraction. So take the 15, and you take 15 over 20. So 15 over 25. Then we'll convert this, simplify it. So 15 over 25. Make sure that's completely clear. Angle the camera a little bit further down. There you go. So 15 over 25. So this converts to 3 over 5. Now you multiply 3 over 5 times 60, because that'll give us how many minutes extra they actually ran. So 3 over 5. So remember, canceling makes things a lot easier. So take the 5 out of here, take the 5 out of here. So 60 divided by 5 is 12. So you have 3 times 12, which is 36 minutes. So at the bottom here, I'll rewrite it over here. You have 60 plus 36, which is 96 minutes. So if you have any questions on how I got that, come to my office hours from 1 to 1:30, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. If not, I will expect that you have gotten this. So you guys are going to do 5 through 8. We just did 1 through 4. So you guys are going to do 5 through 8. If you have any questions, send me a message on Dojo. Email me. It does not matter. Say goodbye to Roscoe. He's still sleeping here. So, all right, guys. So I will see you. Oh, did I cover the camera there? I think I did. There's Roscoe. But, all right, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and upload this video. If you have any questions, send me a message, send me an email, anything. I'll answer any questions you have. Love you guys. Miss you. See you later.